All, good morning, Ram Ram. Welcome back to my channel, Learn and Practice with Teju. Today, let us see about the class 10th polynomials. Important questions of regarding 3 marks. So, the first question is find 0 of the following quadratic polynomial and verify the relation. So, the first question is 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. So, first 6x square minus 7x minus 3. Here A is 6, B is equals to minus 7, C is equals to minus 3. And here first let us fact 6x square minus. So first we have to do the product of 6x square into minus 3 and sum is equals to minus 7x. So if you do the product we will get minus 18x square. So first we have to write the multiples for the minus 18. So minus 18 multiples is 9 2s are 3 6 are 18. So if you do the operation like addition or the subtraction of the 9 or the 2, we have to get the here 7. So if you do the operation subtraction, means if you taken out the 9 from the 2, we will get the 7. So we can write as 9x into 2x. Here minus 9. Here we are taking 9x minus 9x plus 2x. Why I am writing minus 9x means here the number is 7. For the 7, that sign is taken is minus. The sign taken is minus. For the, actually we have know that the higher number which is having the minus will take that sign. So here the higher number is 9. It is having the minus, so it will take the minus sign. So here minus 9x plus 2x minus 3. Now taken out the common from this 3x, we will let then the remaining is 2x minus 3. Next here also write the same factor 2x minus 3, we will get here plus 1, y plus 1, 2x into plus 1, 2x, 3 into plus minus 3 into 1 is minus 3. So 2x minus 3 into 3x plus 1. Now write down the equals to 0. 2x minus 3 equals to 0. 3x plus 1 equals to 0. 2x is equals to 3. X is equals to 3 by 2. Here 3x is equals to minus 1. X is equals to minus 1 by 3. So here the roots of the following quadratic equation is 3 by 2 and minus 1 by 3. Next, the sum of the roots. Sum of the roots formula we all know that alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. So here we have got alpha is equals to 3 by 2, beta is equals to minus 1 by 3. Means here what the roots we have got, I have taken as alpha and beta. So alpha is 3 by 2 plus minus 1 by 3. So 3 by 2 minus into plus is minus 1 by 3. 2 and 3 for the LCM 2 and 3 we will get 6. Now do the cross multiplication. 3 3s are 9 minus 2 1s are 2. So 7 by 6. And here what we have got? B by A minus. Here B what we have got B? B is minus 7. So minus of 7 by A is 6. So we have got minus into minus plus 7 by 6. So alpha plus beta is 7 by 6 and minus b by is also 7 by 6. So the sum of the roots is correct. Next let us do the product of the roots. So product of the roots is, formula is alpha beta is equals to c by a. So alpha beta means we have got 3 by 2 into minus 1 by 3. 3 cancel and the remaining is minus 1 by 2. So here C is we have got as minus 3. So minus 3 by A is 6. So minus 3 by 6 means minus 1 by 2. So LHS is equals to RHS. So sum of the roots is also same. Product of the roots also we have got the same. So the next question is t square minus 15. So how can we write this t square minus 15? T square minus 0t plus 0t minus 15, because the quadratic equation will be in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So here a is t, b is equals to 0, c is equals to minus 15, right? Next, tx square, t square plus 0t minus 15. So t square minus 15 can be written as root 15 whole square. So it is in the form of a, it is in the form of what? A square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b means t plus root 15 into t minus root 15. So t plus root 15 is equals to 0, t minus root 15 is equals to 0, t is equals to minus root 15, t is equals to root 15 means alpha is equals to minus root 15, beta is equals to root 15. So sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a, right? So alpha plus beta is minus root 15 plus root 15. Plus root 15 minus root 15 get cancelled, will get 0. Here minus b by a, b is 0. 0 by a is t. So anything 0 by anything is 0. So we have got LHS is equals to RHS. Now let us verify the product of the roots. So product of roots is alpha beta is equals to c by a. So alpha is root 15, beta is equals to, alpha is minus root 15, beta is equals to root 15. C is minus 15. A is here 1 means t square means here nothing it is there means 1 is the coefficient for that one. So 1. So minus into minus, minus into plus, minus root 15 into root 15, 15. So here also minus 15. So LHS is equals to RHS. So the sum of the roots and the product of the roots is verified in the given quadratic equation. Next question is, find the polynomial if the sum of the zeros is root 2 and the product of the zeros is 1 by 3. So we have all know that here the sum of zeros they have given root 2 and the product of zeros is equals to 1 by 3. So we know that the to find the polynomial, we know that the equation. So for polynomial equation is x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots. So here the sum of the roots means alpha plus beta, product of the roots is alpha beta. What they have given? X square minus alpha plus beta is root 2 into x plus alpha beta is 1 by 3. So x square minus root 2x plus 1 by 3. Now cross multiply with this. 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 3. This is a quadratic polynomial, means find the polynomial they asked. This is the polynomial. One is find the polynomial whose zeros are root 3 and the minus root 3. So they have given zeros of these polynomials are root 3 minus root 3. So sum of the zeros is alpha plus beta, means root 3 plus minus root 3. So root 3 plus into minus root 3. This is cancelled. So we will get alpha plus beta is equals to 0. And the product of zeros, alpha beta, root 3 into minus root 3. So plus into minus root 3 into 3 is 3. So alpha beta we have got minus 3. Now we know that equation is for forming the quadratic polynomial is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha plus beta is equals to 0. So x square minus 0 we have got alpha plus beta plus minus 3 is equals to 0. So x square plus into minus is minus 3 equals to 0. This is the polynomial we have got. If the product of the zeros of the polynomial is ks square minus 6x minus 6 is 4, find the value of the k. So we know that the product of zeros of the polynomial is product of the zeros of polynomials is alpha beta is equals to c by a. This is the formula for the product of zeros. Here we have given the polynomial is ks square minus 6 minus 6. So a is k, b is equals to minus 6, c is equals to minus 6. So alpha beta is equals to c by a. So alpha beta we have given what? 4. So c is minus 6, a is k. So now let us find out the value of the k. So k is equals to minus 6 by 4. K is equals to minus 3 by 2. So this is the value of the k. Question they given is if the difference of the zeros of the polynomial is 3x square minus x minus 4 is 7 by 3. Find the difference of squares of the zeros. So here the given polynomial is 3x square minus x minus 4. A is 3, b is equals to minus 1, c is equals to minus 4. We know that difference of the polynomial means sum of the zeros is alpha plus beta is equals to b by a. Alpha plus beta is b by a means minus 1 by 3. And they have given here difference of the zeros they have given. Difference of the zeros they given is alpha minus beta they have given is 7 by 3. In the question they are asking find the difference of the squares of zeros. So difference of the squares of zeros is alpha plus beta into alpha minus beta. What we will get? Alpha square minus beta square. This is the difference of squares of the zero. So alpha plus beta is minus 1 by 3. Alpha plus beta is 7 by 3. So alpha square minus beta square what will get? Minus 7 by 9. So this is the difference of the squares